Okay, so this guy broke after the second time using it. It won't go up. It should just spring right back up, and you can just hear it's got something in there. It's barely pushing the thing up. Just cannot handle it, and then you can see the bend in that bar, and that whole thing is just fully broken off, and this one as well, and it slides against this whole thing. So I tried to grease it up to make it move smoother, but in here, this is the roller. That roller doesn't sit all the way flush. There's space, so depending on which way it moves, it won't ride against the rails of the side. It'll ride on the inside, and that's what ended up crushing that thing, because it just pushed it and just broke right through. So yeah, and this wasn't even this was just on a Tacoma, so it wasn't even a full-size truck. It was a small truck. Lease were rated for like 550 pounds or 590 or something. So I Googled it, and 590 pounds would only equate to like 2,500 Newton meters, and this is rated for 10,000. So not even close, not even close.